Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to remove background from a photo. So let's dive into the tutorial. So you're going to click on Chrome. Once it opens, type remove.bg/upload. Once it opens, click on upload image. Go to your gallery. You're going to see the photo you want to remove the background from. In case you see this, ignore, refresh your page and start all over again. So click on upload, go to your gallery, select the photo you want to remove the background from. Once the background is removed, click on download, then preview, and yeah, your photo is downloaded already and the background is already removed. So let's try it for another photo. Okay, once the background is removed like this, click on download, preview, then your photo is already downloaded and the background is removed. So as easy as it is, you can do it yourself. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, comment, like and share so that others can benefit from the video. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.